Welcome, students. We are discussing the chapter The Last Leaf by O. Henry. In the previous section, we saw that there were two young artists, namely Sue and Johnsy. Johnsy was suffering from pneumonia. She had lost her hope. She did not want to get well. That was the remark made by doctor who observed her every day. Most of the time, Johnsy used to gaze or look outside of the window. Doctor asked Sue, what is the matter with Johnsy? Sue says there is nothing, there is no matter with her. Why are you asking this question? At this point, doctor says that Johnsy has made up her mind not to leave. So, the medicines will not help her. This was the remark made by doctor. Doctor clearly says that she has lost her hope. She did not want to leave. That's why the medicines will not help her. Now we move to next section. See, Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. After listening the remark of doctor, she tried to make Johnsy happy. She tried to make Johnsy take an interest in the things around her. She talked about clothes and fashions, but Johnsy did not respond. Johnsy was suffering from pneumonia. She talked about clothes. She means Sue talked about clothes and fashions in order to change the mind of Johnsy. But Johnsy did not respond. Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. Johnsy did not pay any attention to Sue's words. Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. Sue brought her drawing board into Johnsy's room and started painting. So here Sue was trying to change the mind of Johnsy with the help of painting. She brought her drawing board into uh, Johnsy's room and started painting. To take Johnsy's mind off her illness, she whistled while working. So these are the steps taken by Sue in order to change the mind of Johnsy, but it had no impact on her. So here she was trying to take Johnson's mind off her illness. And we all know that Johnson was suffering from pneumonia. She whistled while working because she wanted to change the mind of Johnson. Suddenly she heard Johnson whisper something. She heard the whispering of Johnson. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnson counting backwards. Johnson is counting backwards. She was looking out of the window and was saying 12. After some time she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7. So you know that Johnson was most of the time looking outside of the window and she was whispering, and her whispering was heard by Sue. As we see what she was whispering, she was counting. She was looking outside of the window, she was counting 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. This time Sue also looked out of the window. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window. So outside of the window there was an old ivy creeper climbing. There was an ivy plant. In the strong wind outside, the creeper was shedding its leaves. So outside there was a strong wind and creeper was shedding its leaves. Johnson was counting it. So here in this paragraph we have noticed that how Sue tried to make Johnson happy. She tried to change the mood of Johnson, but there was no impact of her activities on her. She brought drawing board. She started painting. While painting, she was whistling in order to take Johnson's mind off her illness, but there was no impact. In the meantime, Sue heard the whispering of Johnson. Johnson was counting 12, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. In the meantime, Sue also looked outside of the window. There was an old ivy creeper plant. Outside there was a strong wind. Due to that, creeper was shedding its leaves and Johnson was counting it. So यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि जॉन्सी जो है अपने बेड पे पड़ी हुई है और वो विंडो के बाहर देख रही है. वहाँ पे एक क्रीपर प्लांट है जिसमें कुछ लीव्स हैं और बाहर स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड चल रहा है और उसके कारण जो है पत्तियाँ एक एक करके गिरती जा रही हैं और जॉन्सी उसको काउंट कर रही है. 12, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. ओके. दूसरी चीज़ हमने ये देखा कि स्यू एक कोशिश कर रही है कि जॉन्सी को उसके इलनेस से दूर करने की, उसके माइंड को उसके इलनेस से अलग करने की कोशिश कर रही है. इसके लिए सीयू ने जो है बात की क्लॉथ्स और फैशंस के बारे में। इसके बाद उसने जो है पेंटिंग स्टार्ट की ताकि इसका माइंड जो है चेंज किया जा सके, लेकिन इसका कोई भी प्रभाव जो है जॉन्सी पर नहीं पड़ता है। नाउ नेक्स्ट वी सी सीयू आस्क्ड, "What is it, dear?" She asked her what the matter was. Jhansi whispered, "Six. They are falling faster now. 3 days ago, there were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now." So Jhansi whispered, she said, "Leaves are falling faster now. 3 days ago, there were almost 100 leaves, but now it is 5. Jhansi said 6. Then she said that the leaves were falling faster. She added that 3 days ago there were a lot of leaves on the ivy creeper, almost 100, but now only 5 were left. So here Jhansi was counting leaves. She focused on the falling of the leaves. She said, "It is autumn and the leaves will fall." She said, "It is autumn, the leaves will fall." She gave the reason. "Why are you worrying? There is no need to worry. It is autumn season. The leaves will fall simultaneously. So there is no need to worry." She replied that it was autumn season and it was autumn natural for the creeper to shed its leaves. It is a natural process. Definitely the leaves will fall. There is no problem. It is autumn season. Jhansi said with finality, "When the last leaf falls, I will die." So here that is running in the mind of Jhansi, that when last leaf falls, she will die. I have known this for the last 3 days. So for the last 3 days, Jhansi was counting the leaves. And she thought that as the creeper shed all the leaves, she will die. That is the opinion of Jhansi regarding her life. So here in this part we have seen that Jhansi was indulged in counting the leaves, counting the falling leaves which are shed by the creeper. She says that it is a natural phenomena. It is autumn season. The plants shed leaves. Why are you worrying? She said that when the last leaf of this tree fall, I will die. So this was the remark made by Jhansi. यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि सीयू सुनती है कि जॉन्सी जो है काउंटिंग कर रही है लीव्स, और वो देख रही है कि बड़ी तेज़ी से क्रीपर जो अपने लीव्स गिरा रहा है। 3 दिन से वो काउंट कर रही है। 3 दिन पहले वहाँ पे 100 लीव्स थी, आज जो है केवल 5 बची हैं और धीरे धीरे जो है लीव्स गिरती जा रही है। और जॉन्सी ये सोच रही है कि जब इस पेड़ की आखिरी लीफ गिरेगी वैसे ही वो जो है डाई कर जाएगी। इस पर सीयू कहती है कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ऑटम सीजन है, पत्तियां गिरेंगी ही, लेकिन फिनैलिटी के साथ जो है जॉन्सी कहती है नहीं, when the last leaf falls I will die. Now see, she replied, oh, that is nonsense. What you are thinking, there is no logic. What have old ivy leaves to do with your getting well? So what is the connection between your life and the falling of the leaves? What is the connection between you and the falling of the leaves? What have old leaves to do with your getting well? Between your health and your leaves, there is no connection. The doctor is confident that you will get better. Doctor believes that you will become better. You will get better. Then why are you making connection between you and the falling leaves? Jhansi did not say anything. She went and brought a bowl of soup. Jhansi said, I don't want any soup. I am not hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. I want to see the last leaf, one fall before it gets dark. Then I will sleep forever. So again you see that Jhansi had this idea in her mind, with the falling of last leaf of ivy plant, she will die. This is the idea that is running in the mind of Jhansi. She sat on Jhansi's bed, kissed her, and said, you are not going to die. I can't draw the curtain for I need the light. I want to finish the painting and get some money for us. Please, my dear friend, she begged Jhansi, promise not to look out of the window while I paint. So here, she asks the promise that Jhansi will not look outside when she was doing painting. She says that she can't draw the curtain because she needs the light. Jhansi said, all right, okay. Finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. I am tired of waiting. I have to die, so let me go away peacefully like one of those poor, tired leaves. Again, Jhansi has repeated the same idea. She has made connection with falling of the leaves. She was eagerly waiting for the falling of the last leaf. When last leaf falls, she will die. She wants to die peacefully, like one of those poor tired leaves. So here you see that Jhansi was thinking, she was waiting for her death. She has made her connection with the last leaf of the ivy plant. As ivy plant sheds the last leaf, she believes that she will die. So यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि जॉन्सी जो है एक बहुत ही डीप कनेक्शन है उसकी और उस आईवी प्लांट जो कि लीव्स को तेज़ी से गिरा रहा है। वो बहुत ही ईगरली वेट कर रही है कि जब लास्ट लीफ फॉल करेगी तब उसकी क्या होगी, डेथ हो जाएगी। वो उस टायर्ड लीफ की तरह पीसफुली डाई करना चाहती हैं। And on the other side we see that she was trying to change Johnson's mood, but Johnson had firm belief with the falling of last leaf of ivy creeper, she will die. So here you see the pitiable condition of Johnson. Here we come across the belief of Johnson. What does she believe? What is her opinion regarding her life? We see that she has lost her hope of living. She has made her connection with the last leaf of ivy creeper. Johnson believes that when last leaf falls, she will die. She wants to die peacefully, just like tired leaf of ivy creeper. On the other side, we see Sue was trying to change the mood of Johnson. For that, she has brought painting board. She started painting. While painting, she was doing whistling so that she can change the mood of Johnson. But it had no impact on Johnson. Next, she had started talking about clothes and fashion. It had also not any impact on Johnson. So here you see Johnson had deep connection with the leaves of ivy creeper. Okay, that is all which we have discussed in this section.